Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today what we're going to do is a simple program that will open any kind of file using system in Perl. So first of all, what I've done is I've created a path to my desktop. So this is the unique path to my desktop. Your desktop path will be different to this, so you're going to have to find out what your own unique desktop path is before you do this. Then we do chdir, change directory into this path. So we're going to change directory into this path. We've created a subroutine called open files. And now we're going to print a message to the user telling the user what to do. Enter file name. Okay, then we're going to use chomp for the new line. Create a scalar variable called scalar file name, and we're going to assign that to standard input, which will get the input from the user. And then we're going to go down onto the conditional to evaluate it. So if scalar file name, and we're going to do the matching operator here in regex. So if scalar file name matches, oops, I've got to get that little character there because my keyboard's not working very well on here, so it doesn't seem to display that character. Okay, there we go. So that's the matching character. And then we have to do a regex here dot txt, and we do the dollar sign, the anchor sign, to the end of the file, so it matches txt if it's on the end of the file. Then or again, this time docx, which is a word file. Let's match the ending of that. Or scalar file name. Let's have a look. Should have been scalar file name there. Oops, matches docx or scalar file name matches dot CSV on the end. Right, so basically what we're trying to do, we're trying to match TXT files, Microsoft docx files, or CSV files here. And this is where we use the system to start them. System, simply start scalar file name, print. Well, actually we can do we don't have to do a message there, we'll just start the file. We'll do an error handler here using else, and if that's not the case, we'll just print a very generic error message. So print error starting, new line character there. Okay, let's just save that. So if the file name matches .txt at the end of the file name, or the file name matches .docx at the end of the file name, or the file name matches .csv at the end of the file name, we're going to run the program. Now, to run the subroutine, we have to call it, and we call it by calling it by its name. Its name is open files. Okay, all we do now is save it and run the program. Okay, so I've been told to enter a file name. a.txt, I think is the name. Okay, so it's open one there. Let's try another one. I think I've got a docx called demo. So that's going to be demo dot x. Hit enter. There we go. Okay, and we're going to run the last one. I think I've got a CSV file on here. Yeah, CSV customers. That's it. So let's try and run that one. Okay, so that's going to be customers dot CSV. Hit enter, and there you go. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. I hope you enjoyed that. Remember, if you're not already subscribed to the channel, make sure you hit the subscription button below, and I'll catch you in another video. Bye-bye.